Now IMU sensor has been integrated in more and more GNSS receiver. It allows points to be measured without a leveling bubble and help us measure some points that we cannot get before. But most of them create big error when the inclination of pole is more than 30 degrees. And if receivers stop moving for more than 30 seconds, the tilt compensation would be stopped. But we don't need to worry about this part with high target V200. The new IMU sensor inside, it can offer us better performance when the inclination is more than 13 degrees and keep tilt compensation for more than 3 minutes without moving. Okay, let's have a look to know how it works in high sway load software, and then have a small test to check its tilt sway performance. Okay, just get back to the detail sway interface, and then we hit the configure icon in this interface and that icon. Then swipe the list and find the tilt sway icon, turn on it and get back. So you will find two brief receiver icons in this interface. One is at the right down corner of this interface. It helps us switch model from regular sway to tilt sway. And another is in the floating window. It helps us initialize the IMU sensor. Right now we just need to initialize the IMU sensor. Okay, there are 3 items in this interface after you click the icon in the floating window. First, you need to get a big solution. Second, just keep it still and no move. And third, only need to shake it for 5 or 8 seconds. Now, let's just shake.
Tilt compensation started.
And the V200 will remind you that initialization is finished. And after that, we do our small test to check its tilt sway performance. First, we switch to normal sway model, and we measure 1 point here. Name it 0.0, and we turn on the tilt sway mode. And after that, we tilt 15 degrees and measure another point. 13 degrees. And even 16 degrees. And after that, we get back to the point library list. And you will find even the last point, 16 degrees initialization, there is only 4 centimeters arrows between the first point to the fourth point. Okay, this is how it works in sway mode. And let's try and show you how it works in staking out mode. Alright, let's see how it works in staking out interface. Just go to click the stake points icon, and we get back into the stake point interface, and we will go 10 meters far away from here and measure 1 point with tilt sway function. Okay, we'll click sway and name it 0.4. And then we will try to stake out the first point we measured before. We get the stake point list and select the 0.0 from coordinates point library, and we click OK. Okay, continue. Then we just need to follow the guide in high sway load software to find the first point. Okay, it's very easy. And we just need to use the polo tip to target the point need to be staked. And as you can see, my pole is tilted, no leveling. So It's very convenient and easy to find out the points. And second, we get back to the stake point list and select the point we measured just now, 0.4, and we click OK. And we will use AR stakeout to find it. Okay, just follow the guide in the high-speed load software. When you close to the point, there is a brief receiver. And if you tilt it, the receiver in the high-speed load software will be tilted. And the same, use the virtual polo tip to target the points, and the point is to be staked out. Okay, as we mentioned before, it can keep in tilt sway mode for more than 3 minutes without moving. So let's just have a test right now. Okay, we hit the icon in the floating window and we shake it. Okay, we just need to wait.
Tilt compensation stopped.
Anyway, with high target V200 GNSS receiver, the tilt pole tip position has been released from leveling. Means that you can measure points that you couldn't measure before. For instance, building corners, place too high to see the physics bubble beside the load without getting harmed. Help you increase your productivity in both surveying and staking out work.